Designing our logo. So in this lesson we are going to design a very simple logo, which is going to be just a text tool or type tool, rather said. So just grab your horizontal type tool, or by just press T on your keyboard and press anywhere on your screen. Write down our app name, it's Newly. Place it over right above here, and you can see I have this goody old style italic font. If you don't know this, but I think you should have this on your computer, well, you could use whatever font you want actually, it doesn't really care. So set up your sizing, it's going to 110, it's italic, and it's absolutely white. Alright, so one last thing what I can do for this logo is double click on your type tool layer, on this new layer, and add a drop shadow for it. Set this to normal, make it like maybe 75% of opacity. It's going to be whatever for this time, it's going to be 4. And we could increase the size a little bit more, like 81. Angle probably doesn't really care. It looks good already. We probably increase this to 100% of the opacity. This way it looks kinda 3D view, right? Alright, so it seems like a nice one. We could place it right about here, and if you want to just place it in the center of this arrow or whatever, select Newly layer on your layers panel and press this here while you have selected your move tool. Alright, Control plus D on your, or Command plus D on your Mac, deselect the selection, and we have our logo.